Hi, we are doing logarithm. Express each of the following in exponential form. That means it is given in the log form. So in the log form, if the question is log b to the base a is equal to x, then the exponential form becomes the base remains the same, which is a, and what is interchanged? The log is changed with the answer. That means a will remain the base and the power will become x and the solution to it will become b, right? So now we will see what we have. Log 0.125 to the base 8 is equal to minus 1. So what we have to do, we have to put it in exponential form. The base will remain the same, that is 8, right? And what will be changed? The log whose log we are finding, that number will be changed with the answer. So 8 raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 0.125. Fine. Same way, log 0.01 to the base 10 is equal to minus 2. So the base is 10, log ka base, this is called base of the log. So the base will remain same. What will be interchanged? The answer will be changed with the log. So log 10 raised to the power minus 2 will become 0.01. Same way, it is log capital A to the base of small a is equal to x. So the base is a. So this will get in power form. A raised to the power x is equal to capital A. Fine. Same way, log 1 to the base 10 is equal to 0. So now what will happen? The base will remain same, that is 10, 10, 10. What will be interchanged? This 0 will become the power and 1 will become the answer to it. That is 10 raised to the power 0 is equal to 1.